Travel to a place where mountains are made of sand and the oceans have no salt. Where you can be the captain of your own voyage or go with the flow down serene rivers and creeks. Become inspired. Watch the bison roam. Uncover a magical world. Find a path that's right for you. Escape reality. Indulge in the nostalgia of a different era. Become a kid again. Reinvigorate your spirit. Allow your taste buds to grow. Savor the moment. Take a piece of your experience home. Create your next memory at Indiana Dunes.